If I'm here today is to tell you one secret. You can improve your performance of any project, anything you're building with an ESP32 if you master the ESP32 communication protocols. But first, let me ask you one question. Do you regularly use an ESP32? And do you know the ESP32 protocols? Let me just tell you, don't be worried, don't be scared, because you have chosen the right video where you're going to learn about all the ESP32 protocols that will permit you to communicate with any equipment. Let it be OLED display, let it be wireless, let it be any project with any equipment. I'm going to give you the communication protocols that will permit you to easily and well understand what you're building and how it's going to communicate from the ESP32 to any other microcontroller, sensor, or any equipment that you'll be using. So without further ado, let's dive into the 6 main ESP32 communication protocols. So the first on our list is the UART, which stands for Universal Asynchronous Receive Transmitter. So it's used with GPS modules, Bluetooth modules, and even many other equipment. And I just want to tell you this, while giving the first, the UART communication protocol used for communication with GSP modules, Bluetooth modules, and many others. It uses the pins, the TX pins, and the RX pin. And with these protocols that I'll be giving, you will have a bonus at the end that will permit you to master and grab well the code that you can use with all for communicating with any device. So stay to the end, be focused, learn, and let's go to the second. So the second on our list is the I2C inter-integrated circuit. So the inter-integrated circuit I2C is used in the OLED display, like the video that is in the link that we use the OLED display to display many things on the screen. We use the I2C communication. It's a video that I made, the last video that I posted, you can watch it. Then you can also use it with temperature sensors, accelerometers, and many other equipments. And then on the ESP32, it has its default pins. So the I2C default pins are pin 21 for the SDA and pin 22 for the SCL. Those are the default pins. You always use those pins when using equipment that uses the I2C communication. Then another communication protocol is the SPI. That is the serial peripheral interface. It's used with SD card, TFT displays, ADC, and DAC modules. You can use it to communicate with all these equipments. Very easy to use. As I told you, stick to the end because I'm giving you a bonus that will permit you to be able to master well all these communication protocols and their code that you can use to communicate with any device. So let's go to the fourth. Our fourth communication protocol will be the Wi-Fi communication protocol. I know you know about this because you have built already many projects, and using the ES52, you can communicate with many wireless stuffs. Many wireless, let it be connect your ES32 to your computer, to your phone. You can use it using the Wi-Fi communication protocol. Then we have the Bluetooth and the BLE, which stands for Bluetooth Low Energy Communication Protocol. This is a communication protocol just similar to the Wi-Fi, but it's kind of low range where you can use your phone, laptop to control any equipment, any device on your microcontroller, which is the ESP32. Then there's the CAN, which is the control area communicator, control area network communication. You can use it in cars. That's what you use in cars with the motors, industry machines, things that you want to use in industry, anything related to motors and all of that, electronic systems. You use the CAN, which is the control area network. Then, our last but not the least, is the I2C. That stands for Inter-Integrated Sound. Inter-Integrated Sound Serial Communication Protocol. So this I2C communication protocol helps you use audio stuffs on the ESP32. Audio stuffs like what? Like we have the microphone, we have amplifiers for which are used with speakers and all of that. So anything related to audio, you use the I2C Inter-Integrated Sound Communication Protocol. So these are like the key 6 communication protocols that I want you to start using. And as I said, the bonus which is coming for you at the end is there is a link in the description that takes you to a PDF that well defines all these communication protocols and their codes, sample codes that you can use with any device. I mean, any device. So this is the end of the video. Just go down, After subscribing, you go look, click on the link, and then it goes to the PDF. So thanks for watching this video, and I want to give a special thanks to one of the people that commented in the last video that they want to see a video that explains the different communication protocols used on the ESP32. So this is the video. I would like you to comment on what you would like to see next. So subscribe and see you on our next video.